all being led towards something. It's like we're all in some enormous Dr. Zhivago-sized novel called, I don't know, the 20th century or something. And a design that shouldn't be there if this is really the world of probabilistic atoms flinging themselves through space that science tells us this world is. Why does it seem so much like a work of art?
Moving through this, yeah, like the bliss with the sound. I'm laser when it surrounds. Moving through this, smoke and mirrors. Sound much clearer. Step through the haze, purple back in the days. Light shines. They come through the minds, moving through the structure, never fluctuate. Bits and pieces, coming through it like this. It shines, keep it divine. Moving through these phases, through these razors, splits, sound, come equipped, shining through this equations. I got them patience in the basement.
Security system restarting in 5.
Running through the tunnel lighter, igniter, style like this, they can't fight her. Don't wanna bite her, yeah, I got the groover, style smoother. Double splits, through the shines and drive trains. I'm on time when it's sublime. Got it lifted, styles gifted. Keep it like it's all in the sublime. Got it like a style when it's mystic with the rhymes. That's what it do. With the style, keep it glued. With the truth, never unruly. Style like this, keep it wild chills. Coming through the files like styles. One time, once again when I start, bring it through the blend. When it sends, with the style like this, the light pens, moving through the rays. I got it sprayed, like it's all in the vapes. Yeah, I hold the capes. I'm coming through the sound like this and rock 'em through the papes. Yeah, and keep a clean slate, that's what it do. It's the sound true when I flow. Like this is the truth when it deduce. Moving through the lanes, I hold the main brains. Like the style and the stains. Yeah, groover, style smoother. Wake and bake with the sound when it activate. With this case. Birthdays, moving through the sways. Got it like it's days. Coming through a purple haze is what it says. It's a grace.